Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make open and close dots on your Desmos, and then how to screenshot them, okay? And then paste them into your, paste it into your Google Doc, okay? So let me get my laptop back. Alright, so I can use my mouse. Alright, so we need to make it open and close dots, okay? So what you have to do is you have to make sure I can see that. If I don't see it, I'm taking off points. So let's start with this graph. So this graph, you see how that's an open dot? That is an open dot at -4, -6. I have to make it show me it's an open dot. So you do another line, and I want to type in the coordinate -4, -6. Okay? Now, see how a dot appeared? If you click this dot right here, okay, well, sorry, you got to go to edit. You go to settings. I want to make this dot open. See the styles? There's an open dot. And if you want it to match, we'll just let it match with green. So see now how I have an open dot? Okay. The next one, check your endpoints. And all you're doing is checking your endpoints. This endpoint's closed. So it's closed at -4, -4. So I want to do -4, -4. I want it closed. I do want to change, you don't have to change the colors. You can leave it like that if you want to. But if you do want to change it to purple, you hit the settings, the little spinny wheel thing, and I want to change it to purple. Okay? All right, check your next one. That one is closed also. Okay? So it's closed at 0, 0. So I want another point at 0. Oh, at 0, 0. Okay? I go to the little mechanical wheel. Hit purple, I'm done. Last endpoint, it is open. It is open at 0, 4. So I need another point at 0, 4. But I want it to be open, so I'm going to do the settings. I want it to be open and I want it to be black. Okay? And you're done. So this is what you're going to screenshot. So I'm going to make it bigger. So what you're going to do, and I'm going to open a Google slide to show you like the whole process of like pasting it too. Okay? All right, come on. So let's do a new Google slide. Okay. Laptop's running pretty slow. Oh, I'm uploading a video right now. That's why. Let's let it think. New. Let it think, let it think, let it think. Lord have mercy. Why won't it let? Okay, we're going to pause. All right, so I finally got it to load. Okay, now I'm going to give you a Google presentation and you'll just have to, you'll add it into it. Okay, I'll force you to make a copy. All right, so my Piecewise is ready. Now, you might have to go to the Google store and download this, but there is a tool called the snipping tool. All right, so I'm going to pull up my snip tool. Okay, see how it's called snipping tool? All right, and then a screen will pop up. There we go. Now, make sure your graph, you can see everything, okay? I want to see all 3 pieces, okay? So then I'm going to go to the snipping tool. I'm going to do new, and I'm going to box in my graph. You want to box in as much as you can. So I box in what I see, all right? It snips it. You left click on, if I can find my mouse, you left click on the picture, and you want to copy, minimize it, go back to your presentation, and then you want to paste it. And there's your answer. Okay? So let's do another one. Okay, let's go back to this and do another one that we did already. All right? Okay. Exit, exit, exit. Exit, 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 exit. Okay. So let's go. We didn't do this one. Let's do this one down here. Okay? Let's do this one. All right, so we're going to type it in how we see it. Y equals 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7. We're going to have the brackets, okay? X is less than -3, okay? Go down here, let's type in the next one. Y equals x squared plus 4x, plus 4x plus 3. Get your curly brackets. And it's going to be x is greater than or equal to -3. Now, check your endpoints. Look at the gray line or the black line. That endpoint's open. So at -3, 1, I need an open dot. So at -3, 1, at -3, 1, I need an open dot. So we go to our settings. We hit the blue dot. I want it open, and I want it the same color as my graph. Okay? Done. Check your last endpoint right there. That endpoint is closed, so at -3, 0. So at -3, 0, I want a closed dot. And I'm just going to change the color to red. Okay? I'm going to full screen it again. I need a new slide. Okay? Here we go. I want it to be blank. Okay, so I go back. I'm going to hit done. I'm going to hide this so I have more graph to see. You hide it with these little arrows right here. Okay? So I want to snip this. So I go to snip. I hit new. New snip. I'm going to box in what I want. Get me a good picture, okay? And then we right click it to copy. Go to set it, go back to your slide, right click it to paste. And then you've done your answer. Okay? So let me know if you need any more of this, but I think this is the easier way than having to draw it. Welcome to the 21st century, I guess. Virtual has its perks. All right, guys, let me know if you need any more help, though, okay?